Did you read my address on the driver license?
It didn't have an apartment number on your driver's
Of course it does.
Let me see. Can you verify?
You've already seen it. I've already complied with that part.
I know, but I'm just saying it didn't have an apartment number.
Of course it does.
On your driver license.
Man.
What would you do if the police pulled you over, suspected you had a weapon, and kept asking questions you don't want to answer? In this video, the driver stands their ground and faces intense pressure, even a drawn gun from the officer. Watch until the end to see how they handle it smartly, and let us know your thoughts on this situation in the comments.
Roll it down?
Why do you pull me over?
I'll tell you that if you roll it down.
Why can't you tell me now?
Because the reason I pulled you over is you were yelling something from your car.
So what?
Huh?
So what? That's why you pull me over? Because I'm yelling?
I don't know if you're in need of help or anything.
Oh, I don't need help.
So,
Thank you.
Okay, let me see your driver license real quick.
I don't need help.
Okay, can I see your driver license?
What for?
Can you use the turn signal when you made a turn?
Of course I did.
Let me see your driver license.
You can hear the sound on the dash cam too.
Let me see your driver license. You can just crack the window if that's what you want to do.
It's already cracked.
I can't see that.
Well,
This thing.
it doesn't matter. Here. I don't wish to answer questions.
You have to let me know if there's a weapon in the car. Did you not take the class?
I did.
Did they tell you you have to tell them?
When you demand identification, I have to display this. That's what they told me in the class. That's what the law says.
The officer wants to take a weapon.
And actually, if I don't display, there's really not much you can do because there is no penalty attached to that. I have to carry this if I'm carrying this.
Are you carrying?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, so if you have a weapon in the car, then what?
You got one on your hip. So what?
Do I smell alcohol in your breath?
No, you don't.
How do I know?
Because you can't smell my
I
breath?
can smell something coming
Oh,
out.
really?
Let's see. Let me do some field sobriety.
I don't think so.
Okay. Yeah, where are you coming from?
Huh?
Where are you coming from?
You saw me where I was coming
Oh, I
from.
just saw you driving down.
Are you done with this?
I'm done with that, yeah.
All right, cool.
Where are you coming from?
I don't answer questions. I've already told you. Let me know when I'm free to go. Also, what is your name? What's your name? Your name? Sheriff? That's your name? Sheriff?
Right above it, right there. You see it?
I'm not familiar with the English alphabet, sir.
It's on the ticket.
Okay, can I have an incident number, please? Oh, a ticket. A ticket, okay.
So do me a favor, while I have you here, okay? I don't want you exiting the vehicle because you have a weapon in the car.
Did I exit the vehicle? Did I exit the vehicle?
Give you a heads up.
Did I exit the vehicle? Hey, can I? You do have a dash cam, right? Very good. You can't just pull me over because I said fuck the police. I hope you realize that. Stupid fuck. I'm sorry?
Do you have insurance on the vehicle?
Yeah,
Can you show it to me, please? It doesn't come back.
of course it comes back.
Not on my system, it doesn't. Also, it's not typical behavior for somebody to be yelling out of the vehicle. Have you had anything to drink tonight? Is that your current address, 1622?
Is that a question?
Yes, sir. Is that your current address?
Do I answer questions?
Okay, I'll just assume that's incorrect then.
And why would you do that?
Ask you a simple question.
Did you read my address on the driver
It
license?
didn't have an apartment number on your driver's
Of course it
license.
does.
Let me see. Can you verify?
You've already seen it. I've already complied with that part.
I know, but I'm just saying it didn't have an apartment number
Of course it does.
on your driver license.
Man.
Okay, I'll be right back.
How long has it been?
Yeah, I say that I've never met anybody quite like you that would yell at an officer doing their job. But
So,
you have a great
let me
day. There's no
understand.
warnings, no fines, no penalties.
May I ask you a question?
There's questions on there. There's the address.
Yeah,
There's
no, I have a
there's
question.
an incident
Can you
number
get your
on the thing right
supervisor
there.
here, please?
No,
Is the stop over?
the stop is over. You may leave.
All right.
How you doing, I get out, go ahead.
Well, you said the stop is over, right?
Don't get out, go ahead.
Okay, I'm not getting out. I will.
Open the door, let me get back to my car.
Okay, there is no need to draw your weapon, man. Are you fucking drawing your weapon, you fucker?
Get out of the car.
I didn't get out of the car. You told me that already. Yeah. Did I get out of the car? Go fuck yourself. Yeah, right over there you can. A warning? A warning? For what? What the fuck? It doesn't even say why. Failed to signal with turn indicator within 100 feet. Drew the fucking weapon on me. He drew the fucking gun.
In this situation, we can clearly see the tension when personal rights meet pressure from the police. The driver knew their rights, stayed calm, and only complied with what the law requires, despite threats and a drawn gun from the officer. This is a clear example of knowing your rights and responding wisely in high-pressure situations. What do you think about how the driver and the police acted in this scenario? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to share the video if you found it useful.
Yeah, you just want to say the word, don't you? Yeah, that's why you're saying what, huh? Yeah, just trying to give me a case. I have done nothing wrong, haven't violated a traffic infraction,
right.
I haven't done nothing, and you're sitting here putting hands on me.
I have got your plate number.
The police pulled him over completely without reason, trying to force a check on his car windows with no justification. The driver refuses to back down, refusing to cooperate, and calling out harassment and unlawful touching on the spot. Can he stand his ground against abuse of power? Watch until the end to see the full story, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments.
Fuck that, you put your hands
don't-
on me. You
you
put your
did-
hands on me.
After you
You
were
put your
yelling at
hands
me.
on me. I didn't yell at you. You unlawfully pulled me over. You unlawfully pulled me over. You unlawfully asked me to roll up my windows. You didn't see me with tint, so you have no reasonable articulable suspicion that they are tinted. You just did it to be a dick.
No, I didn't.
So go fuck yourself. I'm
Well-
not helping you investigate me. Kick rocks,
you
man.
are.
Get the fuck out of
Yes,
here.
you are.
Get out of here.
Yes, you are.
I can't walk. I can't walk. I'm a
Yes, you can.
paraplegic, you idiot.
Where's your thing?
It doesn't matter where it is.
Okay, give me your ID.
No, you didn't lawfully pull me over. Call another sergeant here. Call another sergeant here. You fucking put your hands on me and assaulted me.
I am all the
No,
authorization you
no,
need.
you put your hands on me. I want to speak to someone else.
Talk to somebody else. Talk to somebody else. Give me your ID.
Nope. Absolutely not.
Give me your ID.
No, absolutely not.
Give me your ID.
Don't worry, you already got one lawsuit. Let's make it another
Blah,
one.
blah, blah,
Let's
blah.
make it another one, okay?
Okay, give me your ID.
Okay, ask Andrew A. Smith what's going on with him. Go ask him.
Okay.
Let's see. Let's
Okay.
see. You put your hands on
Okay.
me, you assaulted me. I can't wait to go file a complaint.
You're a paraplegic, eh?
Doesn't matter.
It does.
It doesn't matter.
It does matter.
Doesn't matter. Leave me alone. I don't want to talk to you. I haven't done anything wrong. I've absolutely done nothing wrong. Leave me alone. You're harassing me now. You are harassing me.
I have given you
Fucking
a legal
harassing
request.
me. Look at this. He's harassing me.
I've given
He
you-
pulled me over for no reason, and he admitted that. He
I've-
pulled me over for absolutely no reason. He put his hands on me.
I've
And now
given
look at
you-
him trying to talk to me. Put his
I have given
head
you-
in my car. He's
I
on
have
my
given
fucking... Get out of here. I don't want to
I
talk
have
to you.
given you a legal request.
Get out of here. No, you haven't. Unlawful.
I
We'll
have.
fight it in court then. I'll see you in court.
If you
Fuck
want-
off. Give me a ticket if you want. I don't
will.
care.
I
I
will.
haven't done shit.
Driver's license, please.
No.
I'll give you a ticket.
Give me a ticket.
I'll give you a ticket. Give me a driver's
For
license.
what?
For refusing to...
Name and badge number right now.
Yeah, 1519.
1519. What's your name?
It's Sheriff Couche.
Sheriff Touche.
Couche. K-U-S-C-H-E.
Okay, perfect.
Good.
Perfect.
Good.
You fucked up today.
No, I didn't. This is all on camera.
Good. So is mine. So is my front and my back dash
Yeah,
cam.
yeah.
Yeah. You don't care. That's how you are out here. Fucking cowboys.
Yeah.
Always trying to rope up a nigga, trying to fucking assault me because you are fucking a racist piece of shit.
All right. Okay. So give me a driver's license.
I ain't giving you shit.
Well, you got to...
Help!
Help.
Help!
That's right. Help.
Help! Yeah. Yeah, you think it's funny, eh?
I think it's hilarious.
Yeah. You're violating me. You're violating me.
Scream.
You're violating me.
Go ahead, scream.
Yeah.
Scream all your
Yeah.
life.
You're going viral, buddy.
Yeah, that's right. I hope so.
Yep.
I hope
You're gonna lose your pension. How old are you? How old are you?
It's none of your business.
Well, okay, you're gonna lose your
None of your-
pension for
No,
fucking
I'm-
with me
no,
for
I'm
no
not.
reason.
No, I'm
This is
not.
what you call policing, eh? Trying to give a nigga a case for has absolutely done nothing. This is how the white cops do you out here, guys.
Try to give what a case.
Yeah.
What do you?
You just want to say the word, don't you? Yeah, that's why you're saying what, huh? Yeah, just trying to give me a case. I have done nothing wrong. Haven't violated a traffic fraction.
Right.
I haven't done nothing, and you're sitting here putting hands on me.
Okay. I have got your plate number.
I don't give a shit what you have. I have you on recording assaulting me.
All right, we'll be seeing you again.
Yeah, we will be seeing you again.
Okay.
You know that.
Yeah.
My lawyer will be in contact with you very shortly.
Okay, give me your stuff.
I ain't giving you for what? You need a lawful reason to pull me over. Why did you pull me over? Let's get it straight now. Let's get it for the judge.
Okay.
Why did you pull me over?
I pulled you over to check you for tint,
Okay.
which
And-
I am lawfully allowed to do.
Okay, and now that you know that there's absolutely no tint on my window, what are you gonna do now? What are you gonna do, partner?
Roll up.
What are you gonna do?
Hold up.
What are you gonna do? You already violated me.
Okay, no tint.
Yeah, no fucking tint. So you pulled me over for no reason.
No.
No.
No, relax.
No, you relax. You're the one that wouldn't give me your name and badge number and assaulted me.
Yes, I did give you my name.
For what? Because you wanted to see if I had tint? And I don't have tint?
Okay, first of all, you don't have tint. You're not getting a ticket.
Perfect.
There you
So
go.
why you pull me over?
Because
Unlawfully.
Because I want to check you for tint.
Oh, you want to check me for tint? Shouldn't you wait till you see if my windows are up and I have tint and then actually fucking pull me over, you idiot? Like, this is bad policing. I hope you have kids and a daughter that sees this.
Blah,
It's
blah,
going to
blah.
go viral.
Okay.
You're such a goof, man. You're the worst cop I've ever seen.
Really?
Yeah, you're worse than Andrew A. Smith.
Oh, brother. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye, sweetheart. Bye, cupcake. Help! Help! This guy assaulted me. I'm going straight down to file a complaint right now.
This video shows a clear example of abuse of power during a traffic stop and harassment of a citizen. The driver knew their rights, stayed calm, and refused to cooperate when the officer acted unlawfully, despite being harassed and touched. It's a strong reminder that knowing and standing up for your rights is crucial in high-pressure situations. What do you think about the actions of the driver and the police in this video? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to share the video if you found it helpful.